Hello! This video is a confirmation that yes, nasa Raffy Tulfo in action ako kanina. For what purpose? First, to seek an advice from a real estate lawyer with an immediate action. Alam naman natin na mabilis sila sa Tulfo. And secondly, to apologize to my in-laws publicly. I really am aiming to do that. Bakit hindi ko sila kinausap privately? I already did. But unfortunately, our own needs weren't met when we talked. And the situation was really messing with my mind. So I blocked them all temporarily to finally protect my peace because I am suffering from depression. Yes, I am having meetings with a psychiatrist to further help myself. I admit that not all the time my mind is at peace. Most of the time, I do impulsive decisions and reactions without thinking due to extreme emotions. Halo-halo na eh. Sobrang sakit. Sobrang galit. Wait lang, sorry. Ayoko na kasing umiyak sa inyo. Baka mamaya sabihin nyo, nagtadrama na naman ako. Sobrang lungkot. Kahit anong pagpapanggap ko na palagi akong malakas at matapang, aaminin kong mahina-mahina ako ngayon. This has been the hardest battle that I've ever fought. And I am dealing and living with my greatest fear and trauma since childhood. Lahat ng nangyayari sa akin ngayon ay ang lahat din ng mga kinatatakutan ko noon. I won't ask you to understand me, why I did the things that I did, lalong-lalo na here on social media, lashing out here on social media. But I just want to tell you that this is my first time facing all of this, facing all of my fears. I didn't know what to do. I acted recklessly, didn't listen to most better advices. Kahit sa abogado ko minsan, ang tigas ng ulo ko. I am a complete mess. Minsan hindi ako makapag-isip ng tama. Kaya nga hinahayaan ko ngayon at tinatanggap ko ngayon lahat din ng mga panghusga. Muntik na ako mabaliw. And thank God. Thank God for a very strong support system. My kids, my family, my friends. Kayo, I am still able to survive and fight. Having said all of that, I have no excuse of hurting my in-laws. Alam kong nasaktan ko sila sa lahat ng nasabi ko.